That's the first time I heard his name, and now here we go with Mike Rogers again. Chaos.
Yeah, this happened, I don't know, a few days ago? How long ago? No, that January 6th. Oh, shit. Oh, the videos that they got flagged for, nothing. Anyway, back to Woods. But yeah, chaos on the House floor. Angry GOP rep Mike Rogers lunges at representative, whatever. They ain't representatives of anything good. More like agents of chaos. Oh, Matt Gaetz, after he refuses to support McCarthy on 14th vote. Well, you know, it's pretty animal-like, nonetheless, and I can understand to a degree. You know, they all fighting against fate. They are something that meant to be done with, just like on the Superman movie with Henry Cavill. Remember when Krypton went, you know, basically killed itself. We all know the story about Krypton, you know, Superman origins. But they got pretty good on that one with Henry Cavill, Superman origin story.
Also on the House floor, angry GOP Representative Mike Rogers lunges at Matt Gaetz after he refuses to support McCarthy on the 14th vote. Here's the incident that occurred. Initially, as you...
What's this? This is the animal I had talked about, the beast, the creature mentality.
can see after Matt Gaetz voted present, GOP representatives including Kevin McCarthy start surrounding Matt Gaetz. It seems like they're just having a dialogue. A regular discussion, not really much to see here. Then, Mike Rogers from the back enters the scene, and chaos ensues. Here's a great photo that was taken from a better angle. This right here is Mike Rogers. An angry, wannabe mobster, wannabe thug. There's no other way to describe it. I don't know, maybe it's the way that I was taught from my father, but this kind...
Yeah, you were taught. Yeah, I don't doubt that you all can simulate knowledge, like information, but apparently you're not able to. Ignore the depressing soda cans. I'll get them washed real soon. In fact, I got some time. I might well do that after the video. But back to what I was, though. But yeah, totally, like the, you don't have wisdom. You don't have the clarity of knowing what is right, truly right. Like, this system, you are infatuated with this system. What's the name? Yeah, liberal hive mind. I keep getting him confused with Mr. Obvious. It's liberal hive mind, of course it is. And he supposedly was and he self-proclaimed that he was a formal liberal. Yeah, he is a fallen angel, by the way. Liberal high mind. He's a fallen angel. Android, clone, bot, whatever. Hey, 333. I keep seeing that. Jeez. Every time I make a video. Oh, jeez. What the... It's supposedly angel, by the way, numbers. Not every time I make a video, but like quite a bit. No matter what, like, whew, like, damn, too many times. And when I say something, well, you know, when I see the 333, 3 minutes, 33 seconds, it's an angel number. Anyway, back to what. So, yeah, look at this. Alright, what we got here going is a fake reality. Somehow we are, right? But, you know, only very few human, especially if taught easily, why they keep my humanity, my will native humanity away from me so I don't teach them easily, like it's stupid easy. Because they know that, you know, it's like with true wisdom and logic is like an affection against chaos and disorder. Understand? Good affects bad, and bad is affected by good. And they don't want humanity being around each other. in an uncontrolled environment. You know, like me, I'm supposedly uncontrolled, right? They tried doing me in back in my past, brain damage and stuff. Oh yeah, Patreon down below if you want to help me get a phone stand. I'm using my arm and against the desk. Hey, you see my bed right there? That's Kent Dunn why I have my bed still up against the wall. I know, I already got me another soda. Get it? Good, you know, the puts in soda cans. No, I already have one. I don't need to get one. I already got one. See, I'm not crazy. I'm just ahead of the curve. Joker. I swear. Anyone see a problem with this? My arm. Oh, till next time. But yeah, keep in mind, this has 1,000 questions. So no, it doesn't. Well, so we need to work on how many they can actually make out of it. Cause who or what are they all, huh?